So in this video, we'll explore the top 7 best AI apps that can summarize the YouTube videos right on your Android phone. And these apps are even better than ChatGPT when it comes to breaking down YouTube videos. With so much content being uploaded every minute, it's getting harder to watch everything, especially when you just need the key points. But these AI apps can quickly extract the main points and instantly summarize any YouTube video, saving you hours of time. Once you try them, they'll definitely become your new favorites. I'm Brian from Website Learners, and let's get started. The first app on our list is GravityWrite, and it makes summarizing YouTube videos super easy. You might have used GravityWrite on the web before, but now you can do everything right from your phone. Just click share and select the app, and it turns any long YouTube video into a clean summary in seconds. You can use the same YouTube summarizer feature on the web too. To get the app, just go to the Play Store, search for GravityWrite, and install the app. Once it is installed, click open. Now quickly sign up with your Google account and you will reach this dashboard. So now to summarize the YouTube video, you can either paste the YouTube link here and click summarize, or you can go to the YouTube app and once you're inside a video, click share and choose GravityWrite. Within seconds, you can see that it has generated a clean, easy to read summary with all the key points you need. So you don't have to watch the entire video anymore. And you can also pin the app for faster access. That's not all. With GravityWrite, you can also generate stunning images like this one for your Facebook posts, Instagram content, YouTube banners, and so much more. All inside one single app. And if you want to upgrade your plan, you can check out the plans right here. Okay, next let's move on to our second app, YouTube Summarizer. And this app is quite interesting because it's more than just a simple video summarizer. With this YouTube Summarizer app, you can extract captions from any YouTube video and then use those captions with other AI tools like Claude, ChatGPT, or Gemini to get accurate summaries in just a few seconds. To get the app, just click the link below the video, then scroll down, and you'll find the YouTube Summarizer plan. Lets you summarize up to 3 videos a day for free. So let's click on this button, then enter your email address and click Get. You can see that we have got the YouTube Summarizer app, and here you can see the APK file. So let's click on download. And once it is downloaded, quickly install the app. And there you go. We have got the YouTube Summarizer app. Now to summarize the YouTube video, just go to YouTube, open any video, click share, and select the YouTube Summarizer app which we just installed. And the app will extract the captions from that video. Once the captions are extracted, now you can share the caption to any app like Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT, Grok, and then summarize it. But I recommend you use Claude as it gives you one of the most accurate and detailed summaries. So let's click on Share Transcript and click on the Claude app. And instantly the captions that were extracted from the YouTube video will be pasted on your selected app. In our case, it is Claude app, but it can also be ChatGPT. Now if you scroll to the top, you can see that it has also got the prompt automatically inserted here. Now if you want, you can also edit this prompt to ask a different question. But I'm going to leave it like this to get the summary. So once the transcript is pasted, click here, you will get a clear summary of the video. Alright, right now on the free plan of YouTube Summarizer, you can summarize up to 3 videos a day for free. The best part is that if you want to get unlimited summaries, instead of having a subscription with this app, you can make a one-time payment and get unlimited summaries without paying any monthly fee. And once you have upgraded the plan, next we need to add this license key to our YouTube Summarizer app. So let's copy the license key, then go to the YouTube Summarizer app, click on the settings icon, paste the key here, and click Activate License. Once it is activated, if you go to the app, you can see that we have got unlimited credits to summarize the videos. So it is going to be a one-time payment and you get unlimited summaries. Now you know how to take a caption from one particular video and then summarize it. Okay, the next app that we have on our list is Video Summarizer. To get the app, just go to the Play Store, search for Video Summarizer, install the app, and now let's see how the app works. So just open any video you want to summarize, then copy the link of the YouTube video and paste it here. You can see that we have got the summary, and if you have any doubts or queries about the video, you can ask them here. Just type in your question and you will instantly get an answer based on the video content. The same question and answer feature we're using in this app is also available in the previous app we downloaded from Gumroad, which we used after generating the summary in Claude. Another great thing is that it supports multiple languages, so you can summarize videos in any language you prefer. Also, if you want to upgrade the plan, just go to the home page, then click here, click Get More Points. You can choose any plan from here and upgrade. Okay, if you want structured insights and timestamps, then check out this app. Eightify is an advanced AI app that summarizes YouTube videos, and to get this app, go to the Play Store and install it. Then click on Open, click on Get Started, and it will take you to this application. Now copy the link of the YouTube video you want to summarize and paste it into Eightify. In just a few seconds, you'll get a clean and clear summary of the video, and also you will get the key insights and the highlighted keywords, which makes it easier to understand what the video covers at a glance. If you open the summary tab, you can see the complete summary along with the timestamps that help you jump straight to the exact time of the video. And in the free version of Eightify, you can summarize one video per day, and it supports videos up to 30 minutes long. Okay, if you want more control over your summaries, like changing the tone or language, then this app is perfect for you. It's TubeonAI, and to get this app, go to the Play Store, search for TubeonAI, install the app. Now sign up with your Google account, and that's it. We have got the app. Now here, place the link of your YouTube video, and within seconds, TubeonAI will generate a clean, easy to read summary for you. What's great is that you can choose the language, adjust the tone, and set how detailed you want the summary to be. If you have any questions about the video, you can even ask them directly within the app. Just type in your question and you will get the answer. And if you swipe through the options, you'll also find the transcript feature. If you click on it, you will see the full transcript of the video. Also, TubeonAI isn't just limited to YouTube. You can use it to summarize podcasts, blogs, PDFs, and even documents, making it an all-in-one summarizer for your phone. And with the free version of TubeonAI, you can summarize up to 60 minutes of content. Okay, next up we have the Gemini AI. Most of you have probably used Gemini to generate images or get quick answers. But did you know that you can use Gemini to summarize YouTube videos? Let's see how it works. First, go to the Play Store, install the Gemini app, and ask Gemini to give a summary of this video. Paste the link. Within seconds, Gemini gives you a concise summary with all the key points clearly listed. Since it's powered by Google's AI, you will get accurate, context-aware summaries every single time. Now, if you want summaries that feel more human-written, then the next one is for you. The last app on our list is NotebookLM, a smart AI app from Google that helps you summarize and understand any type of content easily. So let's install NotebookLM app. Now click on Get Started, then click on Create and choose YouTube. Here paste the link to your YouTube video and click Add. And you will get a detailed summary of your video. You can also ask follow-up questions in the chat section to clarify your doubts about the video. Just go to chat and ask the questions you want. And you will get answers instantly. Or you can switch to studio mode to hear an AI-generated discussion about your topic. Okay, so that's it guys. These are the top AI apps that you can use instantly and summarize any YouTube video right on your Android phone. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite and which one you're planning to try out first. Also, you can get our latest videos directly on WhatsApp. You can just scan the QR or tap the link and hit follow. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.